saw him killed in the back. No, he's actually, Morgan is alive, this gentleman said. How can you say that when, in fact, my own son has disappeared and I haven't seen him for 5 years? I believe my own son is dead, Cyril. My son must be dead. And actually, the gentleman responded to Roger and said, well, he's going to be visiting very soon. If he's going to be visiting very soon, why? Who are you talking about? Morgan. But Morgan's dead, Roger replied. Morgan's dead. Stop taunting me. And the gentleman said, taunt no more. And lo and behold, Morgan appears. Morgan's in front of him. And Morgan, it's almost as if Morgan is everything that he wished his son was back and safely at home in their home at Northcote. He's going to be